You're about to sit, 20 plus exams in the next 3 weeks? I know, it's incredibly intense. And if your entire strategy right now is just revising harder, honestly, you've already lost.
The crazy thing is, most students actively tank their grades in the very first 48 hours of exam season simply because they don't have an actual survival plan. So in this explainer, I'm literally handing you the cheat codes to survive this grind. Let's get right into it.
Step 1. Map the danger zones.
All right, quick win number 1. You need to grab your timetable and put every single paper onto a physical calendar. Why? To spot the bottlenecks. When you just look at a list of dates, you don't really notice that, say, Biology Paper 1 and English Lit are sitting dangerously close to each other, or that you have 3 massive exams crammed into a tiny 48-hour window. Grade 9 students map this out immediately. They know exactly when they need to push and when they actually have some breathing room to recover.
Step 2. Curing blank page syndrome. Look, it's time to ditch the highlighters. Passive reading is a massive trap. What you actually need is active recall. And your absolute cheat code for this is blurting. It is literally the ultimate cure for that terrifying blank page syndrome. You know, when you sit down, look at the paper, and your mind just goes totally, completely blank?
Here's exactly how you do it. Set a 5-minute timer. Then just brain dump absolutely everything you can possibly remember onto a page. After that, grab a red pen and fill in the gaps. Those red notes? Those are your weak spots. Target those specific areas and then spam past papers until the mark scheme literally feels like a joke to you.
Step 3. The exam morning protocol.
Okay, pay close attention, because this right here is a massive trap. So many students completely undo weeks of hard work in the final 30 minutes before they walk into the exam hall.
Top-tier students stick to a strict routine. Same breakfast, same playlist, and absolutely no cramming outside the doors. Frantically flipping through flashcards while all your friends are panicking around you, that just spikes your adrenaline and completely wipes your short-term memory. You have to trust the game plan. The work is done.
Step 4. Beating the final boss.
Here's the thing nobody tells you about exam season. Managing your mindset between the papers is the final boss. It is an absolute danger zone. The very second you leave the hall, do not, under any circumstances, join that post-mortem circle outside. Someone is inevitably going to say they got x equals 4 and you wrote 12, and suddenly your confidence for tomorrow's chemistry paper is completely destroyed.
Putting your headphones in and just walking away is a certified grade 9 move. The exam is gone. You cannot change it. Take a proper hour off when you get home and then pivot straight to the next subject.
Step 5. Avoiding the mid-season crash.
By week 2 or 3, the exhaustion really hits hard. When you just can't face staring at a full maths paper, use these downtime hacks. Take the afternoon off to sleep. Watch summary videos on 1.5x speed. Read examiner's reports in bed. Honestly, those reports literally tell you exactly what separates a grade 4 from a 9. Reading them is never, ever wasted time.
Listen, the nerves you're feeling right now, they are completely normal. But with a mapped calendar, active recall, and a really strict mindset routine, this whole season stops feeling like a threat and actually starts feeling like an execution plan. Grab the free revision calendar in the description below to get started. The blueprint is right here in front of you. So the only question left is, are you going to use it to conquer your exams, or are you going to let the blank pages conquer you?